Okay, we're going.
Here we are, we're going to the Central Lima now to get Christmas gifts for the kids. And it's absolutely crazy down there today. So when you see, it's not like any mall that you've ever been in Canada. There's gonna be people everywhere. And we're going across the street there now. We're gonna take a taxi. Is $5 Canadian, and Vanessa was a little girl. It was not possible to have it. Can you imagine?
But now
we're going to be blessing these kids in Pucusana. Thank you so much, Canada.
Hemos comprado 300 juguetes.
300.
There's so many boxes, we gotta hire some people to bring them to the car. Look at these two huge ones. You should see all the boxes. Oh my goodness. This part of the mission is completed.
Misión cumplida.
We're waiting for the kids to come. This is one of our Christmas events that we have it at a 4 because of the small crowd we're going to have. Thank you, Canada, for this opportunity. We have 5 big, huge box of gifts, and we just can't wait to see what God is going to do today to the lives of these children. God bless you.
¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Me llamo Dana.
Dana, ¿y qué te han regalado?
Me han regalado unas pulseras.
Ah, qué bacán, a ver, muestra. ¿Te gusta? ¿Sí? Dime, ¿qué es lo que más te gustó?
Lo que más me gustó fue ver a Jesús.
Wow, this is our 3rd Christmas event today. And look at the kids, they're all coming. You know, imagine all the blessings that these children are going to receive. Got my Santa Claus hat on today. Christmas is almost here. Most important thing we got to focus on today is the birth of Jesus Christ. That's our focus in every event. And God has used you to bring a smile to that child's heart today because of your giving and your love for this place in Lima, Peru. You know what? Without you guys, Grupo Sana would not advance. Canada and all the parts of many parts outside of Peru have helped, have built, and have done so much great and mighty and powerful things with the love of Jesus Christ. Thank you, and we'll get right to the event.